For the first time in astronomical history, the James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered 3 supermassive black holes living inside a single distant galaxy, and 2 of them are locked on an imminent collision course. Astronomers from the Max Planck Institute examined galaxy J0148-4214, located an astonishing 12.5 billion light-years away. We are peering back to when the universe was only 1.2 billion years old. Using JWST's NIR-SPEC instrument to split high-velocity hydrogen light, researchers resolved 3 distinct monsters. 1. A central behemoth packing 80 million solar masses. 2. A compact neighbor just 620 light-years away with 600,000 solar masses. 3. A third black hole sitting in the galactic suburbs, roughly 5,500 light-years out, boasting 2 million times the mass of our Sun. All 3 black holes are actively feeding, but the smallest central one is breaking the laws of astrophysics. It is accreting matter faster than the theoretical Eddington limit, the maximum rate at which radiation pressure should blow incoming gas away. This solves one of modern cosmology's biggest mysteries: how supermassive black holes in the early universe grew to gargantuan sizes so shockingly fast. Multiple mergers combined with hyperaccretion provided the ultimate cosmic shortcut. The 2 inner black holes will merge within a few hundred million years, releasing a tidal wave of gravitational energy. The third black hole may eventually plunge into the core as well, or get gravitationally ejected entirely into intergalactic space. The total black hole mass makes up a massive chunk of the galaxy's entire 1.3 billion sun stellar weight. We are watching the raw machinery of cosmic evolution in action. What do you think happens to surrounding star systems during a triple black hole collision? Drop your thoughts below, hit like, follow, and subscribe for your daily dive into the extremes of space.